Don't be afraid to fail, my friends, okay? Now, when I set out to make this pizza dough, I knew that I might fail on this, and that's okay. It was an experiment. Now, did I succeed? Yes, I made pizza. Did I also fail? Yeah, it didn't do exactly what I had hoped it would do, but that's okay. Now I know that I can't do what I did, right? So I move forward, knowing that information, keeping that information, and making it better the next time. You know what I mean? That's how we learn, my friends. This is still going to make delicious fucking pizza. Don't get me wrong, baby. Yeah, look at that sauce, huh? And then we're gonna cheese it up. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Then we put a little bit of onions on there. Yeah, buddy. And then jalapenos. Yeah, they've pussified these over the years for sure. They are basically bell peppers now. They don't even taste spicy to me. Then a little bit of pepperoni, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Just a little bit of pepperoni, of course. And then look at this beauty. Now, like I said before, the crust didn't do exactly as I would hoped it would, but I know better for next time now. You know what I mean? This one's got a lot of extra cheese on it because I had some extra cheese, so why not? You can see the difference. Regular cheese, yeah, buddy, all that beautiful pepperoni, and extra cheese. That's right. For my fat ass to enjoy. Oh, I can't wait to eat these bad boys. Don't be afraid to try something, my friends.